Assalamualaikum, my name is Nofarisa Kaisar Betama Rizwan.
Hi, my name is Nurul Syuhada binti Syarif.
Hi, my name is Nur Ishadi Gaid Nurim binti Ahmad Jabari.
And this is our teaching aid.
You guys must be wondering how to play our teaching aid.
So this is our teaching aid. Our teaching aid consists of 6 different compartments, and each of the compartments have different questions which we need to draw to get the question. So in order to get which compartment to get the question, we need to throw the die first to get. For example, if we throw the dice and get the number 1, we need to draw for the compartment 1.
In the UPenn naming system, naming alcohol removing the final electron of the parent alkane and replacing it with the sulfate. What is this? I don't know. Can someone help me? Let me help you, don't worry. So, to name the alcohols, first you need to drop the E from the alkane and add OL. Because alcohol, the end of alcohol is OL, so you guys need to add OL. After that, number the chain, so you can know from where is the lowest one. And after that, you need to number and name all the substituents and write in the alphabetical order. So, if the equation have four carbon, so you will name the alcohol as butanol. If have 9, you can name it hexanol. So this is the example of the alcohol. So from what you can see here, so you need to number the carbon first. So 1, 2, and you need to put the OH group at here to the lowest carbon number. And for example, another example is this one. So this is a 1, 2, 3. So you can put the OH group at 1 carbon. Alcohol can be classified as primary, secondary or tertiary based on the number of blend attached to the carbon bearing the hydroxyl group. I don't know the answer.
It's okay, Kasara, don't be sad. I will help you to explain. So we will proceed with the classifications of alcohol. First, we will look at the primary alcohol, which the definitions of the primary alcohol is the carbon atom attached to the OH group is bonded to only one other carbon atom. So the general structure of the primary alcohol is RCH2OH. The example of the primary alcohol is methanol. So next we will proceed with the secondary alcohol. The definitions of secondary alcohol is carbon atom attached to the OH group is bonded to 2 other carbon atoms. So the general structure of the secondary alcohol is RCH in bracket OH and R prime. So for the example of secondary alcohol is 2-propanol or 2-butanol. Lastly, we will look at the tertiary alcohol. The definition is carbon atom attached to the OH group is bonded to 3 other carbon atoms. So the general structure for the tertiary alcohol is R3COH. For the example of the tertiary alcohol is the 3-butanol.
Okay, next we will proceed our physical properties and solubility of alcohol. First, physical properties of alcohol. Alcohol stay at room temperature. Lower alcohol like methanol, ethanol, and propanol are colorless liquid. Higher alcohol become oily, liquid, and solids. Then, next, we got a boiling point. Alcohol have higher boiling point than alkane of similar molar mass. It is due to hydrogen bonding between OH group, and boiling point increase with molecular size. Next, we will proceed to our solubility of alcohol in water. As we know that alcohol dissolves in water due to hydrogen bonding between the OH group and water molecule. Effect of
The acidity or basicity is pKa range from 15.5 until 18.0.